What's up, my tradespeople, my handymans, my DIYers? So we got ourselves a new tool here today. Give you guys a good look at it in the packaging. All right, so well, I got this one off of Amazon. So let's open her up. See what we got. All right, let's get our tool to open up our tool. Yep. All right. So here she is in all her glory. Nice and smooth. Soft rubber grip handle. Interchangeable bit. Phillips number 2. Slotted 3/16. And you can put any bit in there that you want to use, I'm sure. And there she is, boys and ladies. Part 67100, Klein Tools. And I believe she was around $14. That's today, 2024, November 18th.